Ever stepped into a garage that feels like a sealed furnace where even standing still drains your energy instantly? That frustrating heat can kill productivity before the work even begins. That's why today we're breaking down the top 5 best AC for garage cooling that actually make workshops usable again. Stick around and check the links below. Now let's move to number 5. We have the KoolSiln 14000 B2. A garage that traps heat like a metal box can turn simple tasks into exhausting effort. The KoolSiln 14000 B2 tackles this with strong airflow designed for spaces up to 700 square feet, quickly shifting heavy, stagnant air into a more breathable environment. With cooling, fan, and dehumidifier modes, it adapts to different garage needs, whether you're repairing, building, or organizing tools. It runs at about 44 dB in quieter modes and includes auto evaporation for easier maintenance. Compared to smaller 10,000 B2 units, it delivers wider coverage and stronger performance, making it ideal for mechanics and DIY users who need consistent relief from heat. Coming up next at number 4 is the DOMANKI 14000 B2. Some garages feel less like workspaces and more like heat traps where motivation disappears quickly. The DOMANKI 14000 B2 brings controlled cooling for up to 700 square feet, reacting fast when temperatures rise. Its compressor system maintains stable airflow during long working hours, while cool fan and dehumidifier modes offer flexible comfort depending on your task. At under 48 dB in sleep mode, it stays relatively quiet even in enclosed spaces. Smart controls and remote operation make adjustments easy during busy work. Compared to compact units, it provides stronger stability and better coverage, making it a solid fit for serious garage and workshop users.
Let's keep the momentum going. At number 3, we have the HUMHOLD 14000 B2. A hot garage can feel like a space that works against you instead of supporting your projects. The HUMHOLD 14000 B2 changes that by delivering steady airflow across up to 700 square feet with a wide angle swing that spreads air evenly. It avoids harsh direct cooling and instead creates balanced comfort across the room. With cool, dry, and fan modes, it adapts easily to different working conditions. Running below 48 dB, it stays quiet enough for long sessions, and the 24-hour timer adds practical control. Compared to other 14000 B2 models, it focuses more on balanced comfort than aggressive cooling, making it great for long workshop hours. If you're finding this helpful, check the links in the description. These garage cooling units often change availability fast during peak heat seasons.
Coming in at number 2 is Augsmile 16000 B2. When a garage becomes unbearably hot, basic cooling is no longer enough. You need control over the entire environment. The Augsmile 16000 B2 delivers powerful airflow for up to 850 square feet, quickly stabilizing large workshop spaces. Its 5-in-1 system includes cooling, fan, dehumidifier, sleep mode, and timer functions, making it highly adaptable for long working hours. At just 40 dB in sleep mode, it stays surprisingly quiet for its power level, while Wi-Fi control allows remote adjustments and pre-cooling before entering the space. Compared to 14000 B2 units, it offers noticeably wider coverage and stronger stability, making it ideal for larger garages and demanding work environments. Taking the top spot is YIJU 2.5 gal. Not every garage needs heavy compressor cooling, some need smart, efficient airflow instead. The YIJU 2.5 gal uses evaporative cooling with a 2.5 gallon tank that supports long hours of use without constant refills. It covers up to 300 square feet with steady airflow and uses 60-degree oscillation to distribute air evenly across the workspace. Air reaches up to 28 feet, making small garages and hobby areas more comfortable without complex installation. While it cannot match the raw power of B2-based units like Augsmile or KoolSiln, It wins on portability and energy efficiency. It's best suited for smaller workshops, light garage setups, or budget-conscious users. The clear winner is the Augsmile 16,000 BTU because it delivers the strongest balance of power, coverage, and smart features for real garage conditions. While smaller units work well in limited spaces, this one handles large, demanding workshops with ease and consistency. That's the full breakdown of the top 5 best AC for garage cooling. All links are in the description. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.